Hey guys, so this is the OnePlus 9, an affordable flagship from OnePlus for 2021. See, there's a reason I love non-pro OnePlus models, and it is they give like max out features and flagship performance at a minimal price. Yeah, they do skip some specs like IP68, more cameras, curved display, but yeah, all in all the overall package is always worth it. So the OnePlus 9 is coming with a new look and new design with new color option. We have a flat display same like the 8T, and it also has a 6.55 inches 1080p 120Hz display. So they are finally switching from 90Hz of 8 to 120Hz in 9. Yeah, I do wish they give an option to switch from 120Hz to 90Hz, so this is a much needed software feature. So basic design, not something exciting on front. The back is where all fun begins. We have this silver glassy finish with a different shade module. This features two huge sensors and a small lens. There's a branding ultra short which may not make it to the final production because that's what Oppo use. So all in all can say it's not a bad design, but I find it non-OnePlus-ish. There's an alert slider, volume keys and power key, no shocker, Type-C port to the bottom with SIM card tray and speaker grills on right. So this is the whole design of OnePlus 9, a glass panel unlike Samsung Galaxy S21, which I do appreciate, but flat display is not my thing. We have all the main specifications, which includes Qualcomm's latest 8885 5G CPU, which in itself is the next level upgrade, Adreno 660 GPU, so basically the best performance just like Galaxy S21 international model and the Xiaomi Mi 11. Display is 120Hz, which may affect the 4500 mAh likely dual cell battery, but yeah, you can fast charge it at 65 watts, and I said this earlier also, there's 30 watts fast wireless charging support. So these are some great specifications. We still have no idea on the camera sensor OnePlus is using in the OnePlus 9, but it's a 48 megapixel camera and a super wide angle lens with a 16 megapixel front selfie shooter. Most likely it is gonna be IMX689 used in the OnePlus 8 Pro, provide amazing performance, and the secondary shooter could be IMX586. The third one is likely a macro or monochrome. If it is a telephoto lens, that would be totally awesome. So yeah, the OnePlus 9 hands-on already nearly 3 months before launch. This is insane guys. So yeah, the best part is you can make your decision to pick S21 or Xiaomi Mi 11 or this OnePlus 9. Yes, let me know your pick. So thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.